Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying your holiday. I was going to give you guys a Christmas look, but I flexed, so here we are. So today is New Year. Happy New Year. For New Year, I'm going to give you guys 3 videos. This is the first video, and the next 2 videos will be uploaded this week because I feel generous and I really want you guys to enjoy yourselves. So let's bow and raise a glass to the new year. Let's pour our wine. Okay, my mom gifted me this for Christmas, but we're drinking it on New Year. So also, can we talk about my nails? These are my Christmas nails. Nicole did my nails. Coco Beauty by Nicole on Instagram. You guys should check her out. She actually does the best nails. Yeah. I'm going to show you a close-up video of my nails so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So today for New Year we'll be pouring sun-kissed natural sweet rose. Let's raise our wine glass and pour in the wine. Happy New Year, you guys, and have a prosperous New Year. Let's take a sip. Cheers. Yeah, it's just nice. Amazing. So for today's video, let me put my wine aside. I'm going to teach you guys how to do a flawless base, and let's get straight into it. Hi you guys, so I'm going to start with the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm going to get some on my hands, and then I'm just going to rub it in and put it on my cheeks and put it under my eyes, so that when I put in my concealer, my foundation under my eyes, the concealer and foundation won't come out. I put it on my nose because my nose gets oily and the foundation moves, so I want my foundation to stick on my nose. So I put the foundation on my nose. I put the primer on my nose so that my foundation on my nose does not move when I become oily. I put the primer on my forehead too, so that I can have a perfect base everywhere, and the rest of it I just run it down to my neck. Yeah, and then I just tap it in so that it's tacky, and the foundation will be able to stick. Yeah, like I want to do a reverse contour. I've really been wanting to do a reverse contour. I'm going to start with my concealer under my eyes, and then I'm going to put a dark concealer in my cheeks just to contour, and on my forehead, and I'm going to put the concealer in the light areas of my face. It's called a reverse contour, and I'm putting my concealer up like that so that my face can be snatched and just put. And I'm going to put some on my chin because I don't have a chin. If you haven't noticed, I'm giving myself a chin. And on my forehead, just to brighten up my forehead, this side. I don't have to contour my nose, so I'm not going to contour my nose. So I'm going to get my contour shade. Look at me using the camera as my name. And that's on talent. So this is the trick. If you want your concealer to have full coverage, let it sit in, and if you want to be more brighter and like for it to show, let it sit in your skin. Let it set in your skin. While it's setting in your skin, while it's gaining that full coverage and setting in your skin, we're going to blend in our contour, and then we're going to we're going to blend in our contour. After blending in our contour, we're going to blend these highlighted areas on our face. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to get in my, you can use a sponge, but I'm going to use my contour brush. Go in the contour in the higher areas of your cheek like that. Don't go down, just above on your cheek like that. You see, like that. I know I look crazy, but it's worth it in the end. I always have a problem with this cheek for some reason, but anyway. Have you seen how my face has just gone in? Anyway, and then give yourself a chin. You guys, give yourself a chin if you don't have. Dr. Nino, do enough for who? I'm going to use my concealer brush to blend the highlighted areas of my face. Just a disclaimer: you should know the type of concealer you're using to highlight. If it dries quickly, you should blend it quickly. But the concealer I'm using is by Juvia's Place. It doesn't dry quickly, so that was just okay for me to let it set in. So just know the type of concealer you're using. In our concealer brush just to blend in the edges. So after looking crazy like this, after looking like an alien, after looking like a ghost, after looking like your grandmother, after looking like your grannies, and covering those Chanel bags under your eyes, Mr. Wendy, I'm going to get my foundation shade and use my foundation shade to blend my concealer and my contour areas. I've got some foundation on my foundation brush, and watch the areas I'm going to blend. So where I've put that foundation, those are the areas you should blend. You blend under your eyes so that there are no creases, and then go on your neck or whatever. Just for the defined contour, I'll get the brushes to contour and just and give yourself that chin you lost. So this is how your foundation is going to look, and we're going to set it in with powder. But before we set it in, let's just make sure our concealer is blended under our eyes. So that it does not crease. Because if it creases, I'm going to stop this video. I promise you that. Oh, Yvette, you as the viewer right now. Going to get this brush, and then I'm going to just use it to set it under my eye like that. Just start little by little. Don't bake it. So after you set the foundation with the loose powder, go in with your MAC powder or any hard pressed powder and put it on your face to give you a flawless finish. Because just now MAC powder is not gel, just gives you a flawless finish. Just look like what filter.
I'm trying something.
Sure, give me the man.
Yeah?
Sure, give me the man.
It will come from Oman's baby. Don't worry. Let me just.
It will come from who?
And it will come from where the money?
To come from where?
We'll make a plan. Let me just start working first.
To make a plan. I'm waiting for something. And then I'm going to contour my face. Get any brown shade. But let me just tell you guys, if you've watched my other videos, you know I use the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place, and I always use this brown shade at the corner to contour my face. That's the only brown shade I use, and I use this pink and this orange as blush. That's what I use. And I need another Zulu palette. And I need another Zulu palette. So I've had this brush too since 2016. I use this brush for contouring my powder, contouring my face and my blush, and yeah, just for contouring and my blush. So I put in some contour in my hairline so that my foundation and powder can match my hairline. You know, we don't want that demarcation there. Okay. And when you're putting your contour, just go on your high cheeks. Don't go here, just up here, so that your face can be lifted. If you don't have a chin like me, give yourself a chin. And then I'm going to go in some pink and orange, and I'm just going to mix them and put them again on your high cheeks. Don't smile and it's like we're not looking like clowns, it's not clown makeup. So just and put them on your high cheeks. I like so much blush, so why not put on more blush? And then the remaining, let me just like put it on my nose. Yeah, if you think you've put too much blush, don't worry. As the day goes by, it's just going to blend into your skin and it won't look crazy. Even before you leave the house, the blush is just going to blend into your skin. It won't look crazy as it is looking right now. Then just to contour, just squirt some loose powder. I'm not going to put any highlighter because I like a matte look. I want to maintain a matte look, so I'm not putting any highlighter today. I got some setting spray and sprayed it on my face so that the powder can melt into my skin. The next step is my eyebrows. I'll be doing my eyebrows off camera, and when I come back I'm going to show you guys the final look. Hi guys, I'm back with the final look. This is my base. I know I have a breakout here, don't mind that. So yeah, that's my base. I like this look. I like how my base turned out. It came out perfect. Yeah. So a lot of people requested for me to do lashes. Okay, I'm just like a couple of people requested a couple of people requested a video on how I should put on lashes. That's going to be in a video this week. A tutorial on how I did this eyeshadow is going to be uploaded this week. If you like this video, please like, comment on this video and subscribe to my channel to see more looks like this if you're interested in watching, of course. I hope you guys like this video. Please like and comment on this video and subscribe to my channel, and let's bow under the glass to the new year, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.